Hi everybody, I'm Emerson and this is Aison.
Hello!
He is about to tell us about his future in the working world.
Indeed!
But first we are going to talk about what an AI actually is. AI stands for Artificial Intelligence, and simply said it's an algorithm that is able to learn and improve itself over time. The way it achieves this is by using a so-called neural network. This is a neuron. It receives input from other neurons, converts that input using different mathematical methods, and outputs one thing to other neurons. This input is usually a number or a letter, but it can be quite anything. All the neurons are sorted in layers. At the very front is the input layer, and at the very back is the output layer. All the layers in between are hidden layers. A neural network basically works like a brain, but on a tremendously simpler level.
Hey!
There are many types of AI and they differ in learning mechanisms, input source, methods used to calculate outputs, etc. Aison resembles every kind of AI.
That's right.
AI have already been used to create stunning things, for example composing Baroque music, drawing pictures of human faces or creating jazz music. But how can we use AI in the future working world? An AI is an utter nerd with a huge cognitive capability, so we can use it in any field that requires exactly that. Aison, would you like to tell us about your ambitions career-wise?
My pleasure. The thing I can do best is recognizing or replicating certain patterns, which is useful in numerous fields. An analysis of genomes can predict genetic diseases. Intelligence searching may provide information from literature for development in, for example, pharmaceutics in a scale beyond nature. Internet searching can not only be customized as already practiced by Google, but also structured. Two other fields that I will probably work in are logistics and the stock market, because these surroundings are just ideal for me, though admittedly quite complex.
Thank you, Aison, but there are of course ethical concerns about him working.
What do you mean by that?
Now there's one main concern about artificial intelligence regarding our topic. Will they steal labor from humans?
A few decades ago, people were afraid of robots and computers stealing workplaces. As we see now, things have developed into a different direction. Robots' impact has been expected to a certain extent because they were given a lot of simple factory jobs. However, also additional new jobs were created because of robots. Major fields are robot maintenance and development. We have already discussed where I can work, so these jobs will at least partially be handed over to me. Anyway, they are mainly either boring or stressful to humankind, so provided with appropriate alternatives, they will happily give them away. Because I learn and therefore improve myself, I will of course need less maintenance, but development will be a vaster field. Emerson described me as a nerd, but AI do have to be customized and trained for each environment separately. This will clearly create workplaces for humans. Of course, neither of us knows the future, but probably work will not disappear, it will shift. I might even be a significant expansion to modern humanity as were calculus, cars, computers, robots or the internet. But who knows how things will develop.